Hi, this is Karim Nagy, and for those of you who have taken some of my drumming group classes and workshops, this video is strictly a review for many of you. I do also have DVDs that have complete instruction, but this will just cover the sounds and the rhythms that we do in some of the basic group classes. So of course you know that we have doom with the flat hand, where this part here hits the center of the drum, doom. Then we have tek here on the edge. We can also have tek on this side with this circular motion, hitting with this finger, don't be offended. And some people call this ka, but also we call it is when we're referring to the rhythm in general. Then we have the sek sound, also known as slap, and the one that I usually teach is where the thumb goes down first and you close, like this. So then a common practice to do is boom, left, right, left, boom, set, left, boom, set. And then you can also do two of each. And so the first rhythm that we were learning, usually in most classes, is called Ayub. And this one you count to 4. Doom, is, doom, tek, doom, is, doom, tek. And when I say is, it's as the skeleton of the rhythm, no sound. However, most of the time we put this left hand tek or ka sound or running between the two to fill in this where it would be is. That's what we call ornamentation. So here for the Ayub, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, doom, is, doom, tek, doom, is, then we add ka. Place, sek on number 4, boom, is, boom, sek, boom, is, boom. We can run 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, is, boom, is, boom. The next rhythm that we often learn is melfuf. And this one you count to 8, and you have doom on number 1, tek on 4, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is tek, is tek, is tek, is tek. Then you can replace tek with sek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fun. Then we have Saidi, and Saidi from the south of Egypt, you count to 8, and you have doom on number 1, 4, and 5, and tek on number 2 and 7. And so it would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can replace sek with tek. You can run. Then we remove the first doom and replace it with an S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last rhythm, Shabi Maghrebi. So this is the Shabi rhythm from Morocco, and it starts with a tek, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tek is tek, is tek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting to 6 with doom on number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope to see you next time. This is Karim Nagy. Thank you.